Hey, I'm Dave from Quarter Flips. It's true. I'm shutting down all online sales for 2 weeks while I go to California to work on a movie. Yes, I get to go to Los Angeles to assist in the production of a film that I co-wrote. I don't know, I mention it every now and then that I've been involved in screenwriting and filmmaking in the past, and during this pandemic, a guy that I've been working with for a few years reached out to me and said, let's finish our script, let's get it done. And so we did, and it's getting made. I'm going to go down and help out with it. I'm going to be in one small scene and hopefully, do rewrites on the fly if any are needed. I hope there won't be any, but who can say? It's a weird time. I'm hoping this thing works out. But the guy who is putting this thing together, his name is James Ersted. He was in my movie back in the day. This is James. This is James getting beaten badly. This was 1998, I think, when we filmed this scene. And after that, James went down to Los Angeles and got into the film industry. And he's been making stuff down there ever since. He's been making some pretty cool stuff. And yeah, it's just been nice to reconnect with him and work on something. So, I don't know what I'm looking at over here. I'm sure the clip is down. So, the deal is, of course, is that I can't have sales coming in while I'm gone and then sell stuff on eBay, and then I come back in 2 weeks and I haven't shipped anything out and everyone's mad. So I'm going to have to shut down my sales. I'm going to have to do it for eBay and for Discogs. And I've never had an eBay store before. In the past, when I would go on a trip like this, I would just have to stop listing stuff a couple weeks, before I left and let the auctions run out and then just not put anything else up. This is different. So I'm going to need to learn how to do that. I know it's not supposed to be that difficult, but let's go through the process on here and take a look. And then Discogs, I have done that before, but every time I do it, I have to look it up and figure it out. So I figured, hey, I can show the process for both eBay and Discogs on here, and maybe that'll help somebody else when, they have something like this coming up and they want to do it too. So we'll do that. I also want to talk about, I'll show sales that I've had in the past few days, basically, which will be the last sales until the fall or until September. So we'll do those at the end. But I also want to talk about subscribers. So I just not very long ago was approaching 200 subscribers, and I said, hey, I'll give away a thermal label printer at 200. And that happened real fast, and I gave it away. And then y'all didn't stop subscribing or leave, and a whole bunch more people started subscribing, and the channel has blown up like 300 new subscribers in the last just over a month, which is so cool. And I'm so happy. But see, I said that when I hit 500, I'd give away another thermal label printer. And if the rate of increase in the channel continues, I'll hit 500 while I'm in California. Maybe. I mean, there won't be more videos coming out, or if there are, they won't be about reselling. I may do a little report from the set while I'm down there. But I figure what I'll do is, at whatever point we hit 500, I know I have to give away a label printer. Don't even have the printer yet. So when I get back and things get settled, and I start things back up, if I'm over 500, we will do that giveaway. And I'll have the whole thing. I'll put up an announcement video, give it a week. You can make comments. I'll come up with some question you have to answer in the comments to be entered, to qualify. And that's what we'll do. So that's going to happen. Okay, so right now, let's jump onto my computer and take a look at how we shut down an eBay store, and for vacation mode, not close it out, but put it on pause, and how we do the same thing for Discogs. So first off with eBay, we go to this page, managing your eBay store. I find this just literally by searching in Google, how do I set up vacation mode for eBay? This was the first thing that came up. If you need to take a break from your eBay store, you can schedule some time away and choose whether you want to allow or pause item sales. Find out more on the time away info page. I click that, time away. This gives all the details. I'm not going to read everything here. If you want to pause the screen and take a look at it, you can. There are a lot of details and things you'll need to consider just to set it up in the way that works best for you. I'm going to choose to not allow any sales while I'm gone. I think that's just going to be easier to deal with. So when I figure out what I want to do, I click Go to Time Away Settings. It's a very simple page. Schedule time away. There we go. Pause item sales while on time away. Going to want to set the start date. I don't want it to be today. I want it to start tomorrow. It says to give yourself time to ship any last minute orders, set your start date a couple of days before you head out. So that's what I'm doing. I'm setting it for the 16th, even though I'm flying on the 18th. That'll give me some time to get everything done. Then you set an end date. I'm going to set mine for September 4th, even though I'm coming home on the 2nd. And if I have to, I'll end it early. But that gives me some time to get back, get settled, or if there's any delays in getting back, I'll have the weekend and I'll be able to start that next Monday, raring to go. And there it is. You've scheduled time away. And that's all there is to it. Let's head over to Discogs. For Discogs, I do the exact same thing. I search vacation mode Discogs, how to manage your Discogs inventory while you're on vacation. And look at that. It brings up a picture of the Go-Go's vacation on Discogs site. I'm logged into Discogs, so everything I do here should affect my account. Temporarily expire your Discogs inventory. So this is what you need to do to be able to take your stuff down and put it back up. I don't know why Discogs didn't make this simpler and just, I'm on vacation, and it shuts down all your stuff. And then when you come back, you say, I'm off vacation. But they wanted to do it this way, so fine. So go to Marketplace, Inventory. That brings up my inventory page. This is everything I've had up on Discogs, including things for sale and that have sold. I go down with entire inventory, show actions. Expire all for sale items. And you see right below that it says relist all expired items. So I'm going to click expire all for sale items and then run bulk actions. And email me when done is checked. So they should let me know that this worked. All right, what's it say? Your bulk inventory action will run shortly. We'll send you an email when it's done. Click right over to my store. It's weird. It says $396 for sale out of $840, so I think it's starting to go through and take them down. All right, let's refresh this thing. Oh, yeah, hey, look at that. No items for sale found. And there is a message in my inbox. Bulk inventory actions completed. Your recent request to perform bulk actions on your inventory has been completed. Nothing for sale in my store. And when I go to my orders page, all of my orders are still there. It hasn't affected that in any way. So when I come back, I should do exactly the opposite. Relist expired items, run bulk actions, and it should put everything back up. I always worry it's not going to work, but I would just have to relist everything, which would be terrible. But it will work. I did this a couple years ago and it worked just fine. So that's how you do it. Not too difficult. A little bit of doing, but not so bad. So now let's just look at the sales. Sold this Sparkle Walmart exclusive original motion picture soundtrack CD box set. $12 plus shipping on that one. Sold these 4 CDs from Ben Harper all together for $4.99 plus shipping. Sold this Justice League Wonder Woman action figure in the box, $15.99, shipping included. Sold this Saints That Moved the World paperback. This is the Kessler Legacy reprint version, $12.99, shipping included. More DVDs. School for Scoundrels, that one went for $7.99. And Beginning Funk Bass, that DVD went for $19.99, shipping included for those. Gilad, that Elite Forces Fat Burning Workout, $9.99. Live from Las Vegas, Craps, Learn to Play Like a Pro, $9.99. PBS Home Video, Woody Guthrie, Ain't Got No Home, $9.99. And 36 Hours, $14.99. More new sealed VHS. Con Air, $6.99. Starman, $6.99. And Star Wars The Phantom Menace, $7.99. This one's a dilemma. Buyer offered $8.50 for it. I accepted the offer a couple days ago, and they haven't paid. And I sent them a message saying, hey, my store's going on vacation mode. I'm leaving. If this isn't paid, I'm not going to be able to ship it. So, yeah. I have to pack this one up and leave it here at the house ready to go. And if they pay, ask Michael Ann to drop it in the mail for me. And sold this copy of The Terminator, brand new, still in the shrink wrap, VHS, $29.99, shipping included. And this one covers the last of the cost of that big VHS buy I did a while back. It is completely paid for now, so everything else I have from that is just pure profit. Back over on Discogs, sold this Free Will 7-inch on red vinyl for $5.99 plus shipping. got the self-titled LP from They Might Be Giants. This is a first pressing, no barcode over here. Went for $25.99 plus shipping. Also on Discogs, sold these two items together. This is the Fiesta Comes Alive CD compilation for $3.99 and My Movie The Edge of Quarrel, brand new, $7.99. Together, shipping on top. Dead Guy Work Ethic CD, CD EP, $7.99 plus shipping. These two compilation CDs sold together. Bossa Cucanova, I probably didn't say that right, $2.99, and Samba Soul 70, $4.99 together, shipping on top. 3 CDs from Damad, I believe it's Damad and not Damad. Damad Meat Jack Split CD, $3.99. Rise and Fall CD, $5.99. And Burning Cold CD, that great Pusshead artwork, $8.99, shipping on top. And I sold this Trojan Rude Boy box set, 3 CDs in there, $19.99 plus shipping. So these 4 CDs together, it's a Majority Rule Interviews with David Frost CD, $3.99. 49th Parallel Compilation CD, $5.99. Antioch Arrow In Love with Jets / The Lady is a Cat CD, $9.99. And Acme To Reduce the Choir to One Soloist, $11.99. All of these together, shipping on top. And then Sleep Volume 1 CD on Very Small Records, $39.99 plus shipping. And that's it. I'm flying to California. I'm not excited about flying, but I never am. Hopefully when I'm down there, exciting things are going to happen. Life-changing, exciting things. Or, I'll just have a good time. Maybe I'll get a chance to go to the thrift store. We're filming for 4 days. We've got a few days off, and then we're filming for another 4 days. So maybe in that middle point, if I'm not running around getting stuff ready for the rest of the filming, I'll get an opportunity to see what it's like in the LA area for thrift stores, pawn shops, whatever else they've got down there. I don't know. Is the picking good? Something tells me that there's probably a lot of people looking, but we'll find out. So I'll try to get some footage while I'm down there, but I can't make any promises. All right. Thank you all very much. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you when I see you, if not in a week, in a couple weeks. Thanks.